Hello YouTube, it has been a hot minute since we have been working on this Oliver tractor. My apologies, but the Oliver 880 Wheatland diesel, it's still working, it's still getting worked on. Been kind of busy with life, with teaching, and lots of different things going on. But finally getting back to where we're going to be working on this thing a little bit, and I wanted to share a little interesting fact about the 880 rods. If you ever find yourself working on an 880 diesel, or I assume gas, because I believe they are the same block. I don't know. Somebody that knows stuff can correct me if I'm wrong. But all of these rods in this engine, the evens and the odds, go different directions. Okay, now it's kind of really hard to explain this, but you'll notice how that rod is offset to the left of center. It is. And the one beside it is offset to the right of center. And that's on purpose. The even and the odd rods on this Waukesha diesel are not oriented the same. So it cost us a lot of headaches as we were putting these together. You'll notice that these castings on the rod and on the rod cap, on one side, they're facing the camshaft side of the motor, and the next one beside it, the next rod, does not have that stamped casting into the rod or the cap. It's alternating as you go across that entire engine. 1, 3, and 5, the rod caps face one way. 2, 4, and 6, they face the other. And if you did not know that, for example, I did not know, whenever we were assembling this, there is not enough clearance for that rod to go in there either way. It has to be oriented the same direction, and by the same direction, that means every other rod oriented the opposite direction. So just keep that in mind if you're rebuilding an 880 diesel. I assume this is for gasoline 880s as well, but if you try to assemble them with all of the rods oriented the same direction, it will not turn over. You will be putting a lot of pressure on the piston pin and the rod bearings, and you don't want to try to turn it over like that. So we found that out after our first sleeve and piston that we put in. We realized that something's wrong, and we kind of figured it out. I can't find that information listed anywhere, so I just want to share it with the people out there now, and hopefully working on these in the future, nobody has the same problem that we did. So hopefully that'll help somebody. Cheers.